Living in Redington Beach means enjoying the beauty of the Gulf Coast, warm sunshine, coastal breezes, and stunning ocean views. But those same elements that make coastal life appealing can also take a toll on your home's exterior, especially your windows. If you've recently invested in window replacement, proper maintenance is essential to ensure your new windows stay beautiful, efficient, and durable throughout every season. Here are some practical, homeowner-friendly tips for keeping your new Redington Beach windows performing their best year-round. Spring. Freshen up after the humid season. Spring along Florida's coast brings mild weather and higher humidity, the perfect time to give your windows a post-winter checkup. Clean glass and frames. Use a mild, non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth to remove salt spray, dust, and pollen that may have built up. Avoid harsh chemicals or power washing, as these can damage seals and coatings. Inspect weather stripping and seals. Humidity and salt air can cause seals to expand or degrade. Look for gaps or worn areas around your window frames and replace weather stripping if necessary. This helps prevent air leaks and maintains your home's energy efficiency. Lubricate moving parts. If your replacement windows are operable, such as sliders or casements, apply a silicone-based lubricant to hinges, locks, and tracks. This keeps mechanisms smooth and prevents corrosion in the salty coastal environment. Summer. Protect against heat and sun exposure. Redington Beach summers are bright and hot, which means your windows work overtime to keep indoor spaces cool and comfortable. Check for UV protection efficiency. Many replacement windows include low-E coatings designed to reflect heat and block UV rays. If you notice excessive heat near your windows or fading in interior furnishings, ask your installer to verify that the coating is performing correctly. Inspect screens and ventilation. Summer is the season for open windows and sea breezes. Make sure your window screens are free of tears or sagging and that they fit snugly. This prevents insects from entering while allowing optimal airflow. Clean drainage channels. If your windows have built-in weep holes or drainage systems, clear them of debris. Summer rainstorms can cause water to pool if these channels are blocked, leading to water damage or mold growth. Fall. Prepare for changing temperatures. Even in Florida, fall brings subtle changes in temperature and moisture levels. It's the perfect time for preventive care before the cooler months. Inspect caulking and exterior trim. Examine the caulk lines around your window exteriors for cracks or peeling. Replace or reseal any damaged areas with high-quality silicone caulk designed for coastal conditions. This keeps moisture and salt air from infiltrating your window frames. Tighten hardware. Wind exposure from coastal storms can sometimes loosen hardware over time. Check screws, handles, and latches to make sure everything is securely fastened. Tighten as needed to maintain window performance and safety. Touch-up finishes. If your window frames are painted or finished, inspect them for signs of peeling or corrosion. A quick touch-up now can prevent long-term damage caused by salt exposure and humidity. Winter. Guard against moisture and salt buildup. Winter in Redington Beach is mild, but the air can still carry salt and moisture from the Gulf. Taking small precautions helps your windows stay crystal clear and corrosion-free. Rinse away salt deposits. Every few weeks, lightly rinse your windows with fresh water to remove salt buildup. This simple step prevents corrosion on frames and extends the life of your window hardware. Check for condensation. If you notice condensation between glass panes, it could indicate a broken seal. Contact a professional immediately. Addressing it early can prevent further damage and maintain your window's energy efficiency. Inspect locks and weather barriers. During cooler months, make sure your windows close tightly and locks function properly. This ensures both security and insulation, keeping your home cozy and draft-free. Year-round professional maintenance. Even with diligent care, annual professional inspections are a smart investment for Redington Beach homeowners. Local experts understand the unique challenges of coastal weather and can spot early signs of corrosion, seal failure, or hardware wear before they become costly issues. A professional cleaning and tune-up once a year keeps your replacement windows in peak condition, ensuring they continue to enhance your home's beauty and efficiency for decades. Final thoughts: your new windows are more than a home upgrade. They're an investment in comfort, energy savings, and coastal style. With seasonal maintenance, Redington Beach homeowners can protect that investment from salt air, humidity, and sun exposure while enjoying clear views and lasting performance. By keeping up with simple cleaning, inspections, and preventive care, you'll ensure your replacement windows look great and perform flawlessly, no matter what the Florida seasons bring.